on? What are we doing?
We're racing a NASCAR.
We're racing race cars on a racetrack.
Yeah. This is
Why?
so weird.
It's very weird, but it's very fun.
They're timing us and everything.
Yeah.
Dude, nuts. Yeah, is it fast?
I don't think I really got full throttle in many places.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes Turk. I just got out of my first session. Turk's getting in. It is so fun. I was like starting to push it a little more and more every lap. I was like maybe 70%. I was the first guy to take it out. I'm not trying to push it and break something. But there's a lot of cars out there. I was getting some passes in. It was you know, all these BMWs, there's a lot of them. Turk's right over there, waiting on the line to go. Yeah, here he comes. Oh yeah, bud. Wow, he's gonna pass him in the pit. That is not pit speeds.
I was gonna say.
He blows off pit speed.
He blows off the turn in the pit.
They just black flag him right out of the gate. Sir, you have to pull in immediately.
Turn it around, pal.
Yeah. Just boot that dude. What was the pressure climb to?
I don't know, I didn't check.
What did the pressure climb to?
What?
On the tires?
I didn't look.
Oh, I don't know. They were letting all the air out.
I think Turk did.
Why?
Turk
Why?
did.
I don't know.
How much is supposed to be
He
in?
said it gained 6.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. They are big balloony tires.
They're big
though.
balloony
Makes
tires.
sense.
A lot of room to grow. There he is. Just get up behind one of these dorks and follow him. Oh, listen to it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's digging. Yeah. Hey Kenan, thanks for making us come out here.
Right at the pit entrance, so I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna come off.
Oh! These nuts, huh?
It got, yeah, oil temp came up pretty good. Pull it off. I'll try to hold this down here. Oh, I got it. Still got it.
Alright, a little bit of an update. Oh, 2J is getting pissed off. It was running just fine for me. And then you got in. No, just kidding. Turk got in. Turk got in and broke it. Of course.
Of course.
He got in. I don't know what he did, but he just fouled out all the plugs and floored the crap out of it. I don't know how he did it, but he did it.
I'd lie to you and say I'm surprised, Chris.
That's why I told you to get in the car.
I know.
Actually, I told Kenan to get in the car.
It wasn't my choice.
But yeah, it's yeah, these guys are trying to find a timing light for us because we wanted to make sure the timing was good. We're double checking all that, but that seems fine. The tuners seem to say that it seems spark related, so we're gonna run over, get some fresh spark plugs, stick it in there. Hopefully that clears it up because we want to go back to racing, and old 2J NASCAR usually runs really good. It's usually right on point, so you know, it does have a couple events on it. You know, a little demo session here and there. So it is about due for spark plugs. If that is what it is, it kind of doesn't check out. And we should have had some with us. So we're gonna go pick them up now and get this baby fired up.
All right, it's your turn. I guess. See if this thing's fixed. NASCAR! NASCAR!
This is it. It's gonna work. I know it. Fresh plugs. And fresh plugs. Yep, that's right. Now we checked it out, we looked over a bunch of stuff. He also doesn't know where he's going.
Like it would pull good until you like really laid into it and it wouldn't.
All right, so while the guys are looking at it mechanically, fired up the laptop here. And we got Jason on the other end on TeamViewer, going through and checking it electronically to see if he sees anything, you know, breaking up or maybe, you know, that new sensor or something like that. So hopefully we find some. We don't want to get back out there.
That's like a
last ditch effort.
So we put Turk in there.
Yeah, because he always fixes things.
Hey, what
Can't get any worse.
Yeah, we have admitted full defeat when you put that Richard in there to make sure it's okay.
Yeah, both of us are like, you don't even care.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter. He still had his suit on.
Yeah. That was pretty much the deciding factor.
That was the deciding factor. I didn't have a shirt on. He had a suit on. Done deal. You're in. Let us know if it works. Bummer of a day. Thing ran perfect. Has always run perfect. Show up here to race all day and got about 5 good laps in. Well, that's racing.